Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix AOC monitor orange light no display. Okay. So guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry, we are going to solve this issue by each step. So first of all, check the cables. Ensure that the cable are firmly connected to the both the monitor and the computer. If the cable are damaged or frayed, they may need to be replaced. Okay. And then check the power supply. Ensure that the power cord is firmly connected to the both the monitor and your power outlet. Okay, if the power cord is damaged, consider replacing. You can replace the power cord. Okay, and then try connecting to a different display port. If the monitor is connected to device with multiple display port, try connecting to each different port. This is because sometimes the specific port may not function correctly or may not support the monitor game mode feature. Okay, so you should need to connect the different display port. Okay, and then contact the AOC monitor support. If the all the mentioned earlier step is not working for you, you can contact AOC customer support for additional help. They can offer to validate troubleshooting device or organize a repair or replacement if the speaker are determined to be defective. Okay, so this is our all step. Thanks guys, having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.